One of the most interesting and very extremely creative aspects of diamond setting is that we could use many of our pre-learned skills and adapt our skills now to making this creative ring as what you're looking at. This process is called cut down. There is no lines, as you can see over here. There's no bright cutting per se. There's no lines. There's no use of a right-sided graver. All I'm going to be using is a flat graver, a number 1 onglet, and a flat graver number 40. 3 gravers will be used in this process. It is the most delicately made creative part of diamond setting. I would put this about an 18 to 20 out of 10 on the difficulty scale. It is just one of those beautiful creations that comes by only in a few years. Now I'm going to show you on this CD how it is met, how it's created, how it's cut, all by using a flat graver. And I'm going to try and show you right here. All this is done with a flat graver. All these sides are cut down towards the edge of the Tiffany band or semi-rounded band. And what we have now is a very interesting process. So out of a very plain looking band, I'm going to drill out the holes. I'm going to set some stones. Then I'm going to use a number 1 onglet to separate the lines. But before I do that, I'm going to use a very large flat graver, about a number 42. And I'm going to make little swirls of metal to hold the 4 corners. These 4 corners will hold the stone. What I'm going to be left with are little lines. I'm going to separate them, and I think you can just barely see it. All you're going to have is the 4 little hooks to hold the stone. We're going to cut down, and this is going to, oh, here's it is over here. You can see a bit of a gentle curve. All of them will have this gentle curve all the way around. Is this hard to do? Yeah, you betcha it is. And it takes a lot of concentration. To achieve this diamond setting process takes many years of using a graver. After 6 years of me trying my darndest in my apprenticeship years, I have finally found the challenge, and I met it, and now I'm going to be teaching you how to do it. This ring will be just like this, and it's just a plain old silver dome-shaped ring, but I'm going to make it look nice. I'm going to make it look very, very nice. It's a bit of a challenge, but I hope everybody's willing to watch what I do, and it's going to be very, very good. So let's start.